Question 17. I once heard a woman say, "Of course he's successful. It's in his genes." I knew she wasn't talking about me because I was wearing shorts. I also knew she was wrong. Success is not in our genes. Not all children of successful people become successful themselves. Many kids have everything going for them and end up total disasters. They do none of the things that help their parents succeed. The number of unsuccessful people who come from successful parents is proof that genes have nothing to do with success. You can't change your genes, but you can change the people you imitate. The choice is up to you, so why not imitate the best? There are hundreds of great people to imitate and copy. They have terrific advice about what helped them succeed. Jot down notes and carry them around in your pants pocket. Then success will be in your genes, even if it's not in your genes.